guys, hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Kushi and I hope you are doing really well. This video is all about me getting my stuff back in the same bag that I came here with. So I'm just packing things up again. It's a little nostalgic for me right now to pack everything back in the same bag and move. Also guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon, and also select all after pressing that bell icon so that you get notified every time I put up something new. Giving you some backstory, before coming here in UK, when I was in India, I selected the accommodation for the whole year, basically the whole tenure of my coursework. But after coming to my university and after starting my studies, I realized that my actual coming to university, attending classes and everything is only for 6 months. So this was like a surprise element for me because nobody has made me aware about it, neither my consultancy nor when I was meeting with the university. Nobody made it clear to me that 6 months are your study period, 6 months is like your dissertation period. So this was a surprise element for me, and if, just in case if you are also not aware, this is it guys. And planning the whole year, so I thought like if I have to go to the university daily for the 12 months, I'll book accommodation in my university. Hence I booked this accommodation for like 12 months. But it's almost mid-July and I'm done with everything. I'm done with my classes, assessments and everything. Like I'm done. I don't have to study anymore or attend any classes. It's just dissertation work going on right now. So so basically the plan that I had made in my head about 12 months is not how it is. Now that I have to shift places, it's not like you find a new place and then you just shift there. You have to also find a replacement who will stay in your place. So just in case if you're not aware, in student accommodation, whenever you are signing your agreement, please read it. This was not a surprise element for me, but I'm just letting you know that always read your agreements before signing with anyone, anywhere. So yeah, so this is how it works. So now I found a replacement. He will be joining in soon. I still have like 15 days in my hand, not 15 actually, 10 days in my hand. So I'll just get things sorted in these 10 days because I think it will take good enough time for me to pack stuff because now I have groceries and everything. So yeah, let's go. I think the whole video is majorly all about hyperlapse, and in between I might put some audio and everything, but let's see how it goes. See you. This is how the room is. It's just a very small room. You get just one mirror, a side table, I would say, one bed with the space, and yeah, that's it. And you also get this use room for yourself and the wardrobe in this area. So I think this is good enough. To me, I think it was very much good enough to stay and survive. And I also have this good view. I used to always tell my mummy कि इतनी थैली रख के क्या करोगी, and then I see myself doing this. ये तो चलो ठीक है, ये तो मैं बाहर ले जा सकती हूँ. I have no idea what am I doing with all these. और ऐसा नहीं, मैं ऐसे ही रखे हैं guys, it is properly folded. So I think it's संगत का असर. Problems. We have these 3 bags, and I clearly remember, if you know, there is this zipper that comes here, not zipper, actually a hook that basically seals this up. I had it with me, but मैंने उसको बहुत संभाल के कहीं तो रखा है, तो मैं एक बार वो ढूंढ लेती हूँ because this is now stressful because I was supposed to put everything inside this. Guys, I have found those. I have found these. So मैंने ये बहुत ज़्यादा ही संभाल कर मेडिसिन के डब्बे में रखा था. पिछले 1 घंटे से ढूंढ रही हूँ, सब सामान निकाल दिया एट दिस पॉइंट मैंने मेरा. एंड यस, आई हैव फाउंड दीज. लेट्स कंटिन्यू. Guys, I'm now little tired. थोड़ा सा मैं ब्रेक लूँगी अब. What I've done is, whatever I'm putting in whichever bags, I'm noting it down so that अगर just in case मुझे कुछ चाहिए होगा तो मुझे पता होगा, और जब मैं अनपैक कर रही हूँ तभी मुझे पता होगा कि मैंने कहाँ क्या डाला है. So अभी तक जितना रख दिया that I've noted, I'll take few break because I'm done. अब मेरे को 15 मिनट रेस्ट चाहिए, फिर मैं फिर से करूँगी. So yeah, ब्रेक लेके काम करते हैं guys, okay? इन द नेम ऑफ द ब्रेक आई थिंक मैंने और सामान ला के कलेक्ट करके रखा है. सो आई शुड बी गेटिंग रैप्ड अप बाय नेक्स्ट 1 hour. विश मी लक गाइज. इट्स आई डिडंट एक्सपेक्ट इट टू बी दिस डिफ़िकल्ट, बट है, ये डिफ़िकल्ट है. The update is all the packing is done. Majority of the packing is done. Now whatever is left, that is majorly boxes, like the boxes that I have, and थोड़ा clear करना है, and my laptop and everything. So वो तो मैं नहीं mix करने वाली. Yeah, rest all is fine. Yeah, it's done. So we are done with the packing and everything, and I've cleaned my things, my room. I've cleaned my room. Only I need to vacuum the floor. That's the only thing that's pending. So while I was just cleaning everything, I was like, यार आखिरी बार साफ कर रही हूँ, शूट ही कर लेती हूँ. So yeah, come do vacuum with me, and then I'll just show you the final room. Like right now my room looks exactly like how it used to be when I first time came here. So yeah, it's exact same. The dustbin is at the same place, the chair will be at the same place. Without bed sheet, the bed would be no pillows, because it's last day. I just want to sleep on my floor with my blanket because it feels really good. This place has been my home for last 6 months, and I don't know, I don't have any feelings for that, but I also do have some feelings. I don't know, I'm confused, so I'm just ignoring everything right now. But yeah, it is beautiful. It is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So the guy you just saw in the video, that's Ubaida. That's my flatmate. He lives next door to me. I think he is able to hear me right now as well. And Yeah, he just heard me cleaning my room at this late at night. It's like 1 a.m. right now. He just came in to check in like, are you okay? Are you okay? Sach mein ja rahe ho? So basically tomorrow at 11 a.m. I have my contract transfer. So I have to go there for the thing. So he's like, I'll also come with you. So yeah, find a good flatmate. It's very healthy. And I got 5 of them. Okay, see you. Basically, the rooms are like this. Very small room. You get this upper space. There's this full wardrobe, 3 desk, table, a bin I had got, and a very good bed. There is a underbed space as well, and this space, and a mirror. And because it's an ensuite, you get a beautiful, beautiful washroom. I mean, I've loved the best washroom. Like, it's more than enough for a single person. And the shower is so good. This is where I have spent 6 months of my life in UK. And I mean, yeah, that's it. That is my room. That is my place. Welcome to our kitchen. Very beautiful space. Tiny dining. Each one of us has their own space, like 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And yeah, you get a microwave and oven and toaster and heater, fridge and freezer. Some extra spaces also we have, and our cleanup rota that we have and we follow every week, every month. Gonna miss this a bit. The harsh truth is that I will be missing this place and people. As a ritual, I am doing my duties today, so come join me in. Today my day is to throw rubbish, so I'm gonna change the bin and throw it down, because after that I'm just gonna have a good shower and sleep on my floor. So yeah, let's finish this in. Thank you so much guys for watching the whole vlog of me wrapping up another for the second time.